Today, we'll be taking a look at the LED assembly on this Whirlpool top freezer refrigerator. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. First, we need to remove the lens at the top here. In order to do so, use a small flat blade screwdriver or a tack puller. Put it in here and you need to pry in on the tab, pull down, pull it out, and then set it to the side. Next, to remove your LED lamp assembly, we have two 1/4" screws in the top that have to be taken out. Once we have the second one out there, you can see our LED lamp. In order to remove it, we have to remove the wiring. That one's kind of stuck, so I'm going to use something to pry it up here. Then, to remove the bulb itself, you have to press down on this tab and start to pull it out, slide it out of the other side, and set it to the side. When installing a new LED lamp, first you will put the side with the hook in and then press it into place. We will reinstall the wiring. Now one terminal is bigger than the other, so it can only go on one way. And then make sure our ground strap is on here properly. And when you are reinstalling this, you'll see there is a little tab that the metal will slide inside to hold it up. So let's slide it in. And then you can move it back wherever you need it to go. Now let's install the first screw. I'm going to kind of push it up in the housing with my hand and tighten it up. Let's install the second screw here, line it up. Bring it in. Now we can reinstall the lens. When reinstalling your lens, we'll start with the two stakes toward the front. Slide them in the slotted area. Swing your lens up. Lock it in place. And that will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.